Hi everyone, this is Charlotte walking you through the registration and application process for the UNSW Co-op program. Once you have registered an account, you will need to log into the application system using the UAC or student number you have provided. You should first get yourself familiar with the application system. The homepage is a dashboard where you can easily access each section of the application. You can use the menu on the left-hand side to navigate to each application section, and the homepage will show the progress of your application. Completed sections will be in green and have a tick beside them, and incomplete sections will be shown in red with a cross beside them. Once a section has been updated, the cross will change to a tick to show it has been complete. We highly recommend that you nominate your school's careers advisor as soon as possible. This means your careers advisor will know that you are applying and allow time to complete your school's assessment. In the Education Background section, enter your current UAC preferences. These preferences can be changed at any time prior to submitting the application. You also need to enter your Year 11 and 12 results in a table. If the result is not declared yet, place a dash in the box and write an explanation in the box below. If you are not continuing a subject in Year 12, please enter NC in the boxes. For each new row that is started, you must enter a value for each box. For trial HSC results, complete the same process, ensuring a value is entered in each box for every row you complete. If you're a gap year student, enter your actual HSC results in the right-hand column. For those not from New South Wales or who do not sit trial exams, enter the results from your yearly report card. Under the Program Preferences section, you can select which co-op programs you would like to be considered for. You can select up to 3 preferences. You will also need to complete several co-op application questions. Here are some tips to filling these out. Copy the questions into a Word document and draft your answers there first, so you can use word tools such as spell check, character count, and grammar check. Also make sure you are aware of the character limits, which include spaces. Make sure you also proofread your responses. Each question provides an opportunity for you to demonstrate that you have the attributes we are looking for and tell us what makes you stand out as a candidate for the scholarship. As you complete each question, select Yes to mark it as complete. You will not be able to submit the application until every question is marked as complete. Remember to save progress through each stage of the application. You can log in and save your application as many times as you would like. You must submit your co-op application by the 30th of September. After this, you'll receive an email from us acknowledging that we have received your application. Don't forget to submit your application. Last year, more than half of those registered did not submit an application, with over 1,000 applications left in draft. That's over 1,000 potential co-op scholars. Make sure to visit the UNSW Co-op website to explore our programs and opportunities, and also check out the Career Chat videos on our YouTube channel for a real look at the industry. Click this View Draft button to see a PDF overview of your final submission. Good luck with your application, and we look forward to reviewing your responses.